Hi, in this video we're going to talk about turning your alarm system on and off. Turning your alarm system on so that it will respond if it detects a signal from a sensor is called arming. Turning your system off so that it will ignore signals from your alarm sensor is called disarming. When you arm your alarm system turns on something called exit delay mode. This is to give you time to leave your facility. Typically speaking, you'll have 45 seconds or more to leave your building, and you'll only be able to leave your building through one door. So make sure you always leave your building through the same door. You only have 45 seconds to leave, so make sure you're really ready to leave. Make sure you don't have any distractions. Make sure you're not looking on your phone, or you're not grabbing your coat or your bags when you're leaving. When you come back into the building, you'll have something called entry delay mode. Typically that's 30 seconds. So when you come into the building, make sure you're ready to turn off your alarm system. You want to march directly to your keypad, disarm the system, and then do whatever else you need to do. Take your coat off, put your bags down, and so forth. So let's get started. You arm your system by entering your code and then pressing enter. You disarm your system the same way by entering your code and pressing enter.